Hi, my name is Joan Hyman, and we're at YogaWorks in Los Angeles. I'm with Emily Perez, and I'm going to break down Virabhadrasana 2, helping to teach Flying Pigeon, Ekapada Galanvasana, so it seems more accessible. All right? Okay, so Emily, go ahead and bend your knees, take your fingertips together, and jump your feet wide. Good. All right, so Virabhadrasana 2, you're going to rotate your right leg to myself. Turn your left toe in, heel out. Open your legs as wide as your hands. Good. Take an inhale, lift the chest. And exhale, bend your right knee. All right, so look right over your front hand. All right, so in Virabhadrasana 2, good. There is this loop that happens in this front leg, and that's what makes it a hip opener. Okay, so as you're bending, imagine being pulled into the bend. Your inner leg is extending out, and what's contracting is this outer quad. So this outer thigh is pulling back in the hip, and look how that thigh bone plugs into the hip socket. And then lift the hip bones in the chest. Okay, one more breath here. Keep the arms up. Inhale, straighten your leg. Rotate the right toes in, heel out. Spin the left leg out. Exhale, bend, Virabhadrasana 2. All right, so settling in, this is a warrior pose, so don't be timid. Bring the thigh parallel to the earth and find that loop. Inner leg extending, outer thigh, outer hip pulling back. Good, and also what happens, people have a tendency to square their hips. Square your chest, so pull back in the obliques here, right? Collarbones are wide. As the front hip hugs in, keep pressing the top of this right thigh bone back. And get long. One more breath. Inhale, straighten your leg. Rotate the feet parallel. Bend your knees and jump your feet together. Good. All right, now, Ekapada Galanvasana, Flying Pigeon. Step to the top of your mat. All right, let's take your right ankle over your left knee. Inhale, arms up to the sky. And then exhale, bend your knee like chair pose. Okay, and pause here. So a major component is the hip flexibility in this pose. If you flex the heel, you'll rotate the thigh bone deeper in the hip and find a flat back. So this is a great prep, going a little bit deeper. The sternum pulls forward, all right, and the hips are dropping low. And then the next stage is to put the hands on the floor. And I want you to notice this. Wrap the foot around the upper arm, especially that pinky toe. All right, and then inhale, go ahead and lean forward, and the shin bone is stacking on the upper arm. And go ahead, Emily, start to take the left heel up, notice the heel to the buttock, and when you're ready, straighten the leg, keep the gaze forward. So it's all leverage and arm balance. Rotate this left hip down, and as the chest pulls forward, fly away, jump back, chaturanga, inhale, upward dog, exhale, downward dog. Good. Great job. And then go ahead and take a child's pose. Good. Thank you. Check out my class on Yoga Vibes.